All right, this is how you make silver water. Look, listen, and learn. You have to use distilled water. You're gonna need two 100% silver rods. They cannot have any nickel in them whatsoever. A lot of people are allergic to nickel. Put those in the water. You're gonna need three 9-volt batteries wired in series. Hook one to each rod. Don't let them touch in the water. Okay, next, get a little bit of distilled water in a cup. Sea salt. Cannot have iodine in it. Must be 100% sea salt. Pour that in here. In order for this reaction to start and to get the silver to go into the water, you have to have 3 or 4 drops maximum in the water. That's it. No more. The salt allows electricity to go through the water. And if you can see, the rod is starting to bubble. This allows silver to go into the water at a molecular level. There's no virus, bacteria, or disease that can live in the presence of silver in your body. This is what they don't want you to know. This is how you make it. Let that go for about 5-6 minutes.